AI agents are about to completely change how people work. Right now, most people are still using AI like ChatGPT just to ask questions or generate text. But what if AI could actually do the work for you? Not just answer, but take action. That's exactly what AI agents are. And in this video, I'll explain what AI agents are in the simplest way possible, how they actually work, and how people are already using them to make money. Let's start with the basics. So what exactly is an AI agent? The easiest way to understand this is to think of it like a smart virtual assistant. But unlike a normal assistant, an AI agent doesn't just wait for instructions. It can actually take actions on its own. For example, if you tell ChatGPT to write an email, it will give you a response. But if you had an AI agent, it could read your emails, understand what's important, draft replies, and even send them automatically. That's the key difference. AI tools respond. AI agents act. Now let's make this even simpler with a real-world example. Imagine you run a small online business. Every day, you get customer emails. You have to read them, reply to them, maybe answer common questions, and sometimes follow up. This takes hours. Now imagine an AI agent doing this for you. It checks your inbox. It reads the emails. It understands the context. It drafts replies. And in some cases, it can even send the replies automatically. That's not the future. That's already possible today. And this is why AI agents are becoming such a big deal. They don't just help you. They actually replace repetitive work. Now you might be wondering, how do these AI agents actually work? Let's break it down simply. An AI agent usually has three parts. First, it receives input. This could be an email, a message, or a task. Second, it processes the information using AI. It understands what needs to be done. And third, it takes action. This could be writing a reply, updating a file, or triggering another task. So the flow looks like this. Input, AI processing, action. And this loop can keep running automatically. That's what makes AI agents powerful. They don't just stop after one response. They can continue working. Now let's talk about where this is actually being used. One of the most common uses is customer support. Businesses are using AI agents to handle customer queries automatically. Another use is lead generation. AI agents can collect data, find potential clients, and even send outreach messages. They are also being used for content creation. Some people are setting up AI agents to research topics, write drafts, and organize content. And one of the biggest use cases is automation. Anything repetitive can potentially be handled by an AI agent. And this brings us to the most interesting part. How are people making money with this? There are three main ways. The first way is freelancing. People are building simple AI agents and offering them as a service. For example, setting up an email automation system for a business. The second way is automation services. You can approach small businesses and help them automate tasks using AI agents. Many businesses are willing to pay for this because it saves them time and money. The third way is using AI agents for your own work. If you run a blog, YouTube channel, or online business, you can use AI agents to speed up your workflow. This means you can produce more content in less time. And more output often means more income. Now the question is, how can you actually start? The good news is, you don't need to be a programmer. There are tools that make this very simple. For example, tools like Lindy allow you to create AI agents by simply describing what you want. And tools like Gumloop help you build automations using drag-and-drop systems. So instead of writing code, you're just connecting steps. This makes it beginner-friendly. If you're just starting out, the best approach is simple. Pick one small problem. For example, automating emails. Then use an AI tool to build a simple solution. Test it, improve it, and then offer it as a service. You don't need to build something complex. Even small automations can be valuable. And over time, you can build more advanced systems. So to summarize everything, AI agents are systems that can take actions, not just give answers. They can automate tasks, save time, and improve productivity. Businesses are already using them. And there is a real opportunity for beginners to start using them as well. If you're interested in AI and want to stay ahead, this is something worth learning right now. And if you want more videos like this where I break down AI tools and show how to use them, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.